Yeah, so this has been an exciting NAB for us. The traffic at the booth is overwhelming. The interest in the products and services that we provide in enabling multi-device, over-the-top, IP-based video solutions for network operators and large media entities around the globe is really becoming a strategic initiative for all those organizations. And so the business is growing faster than ever. And our products and services are really resonating in the marketplace right now. So a couple things that we announced. First of all, we announced the latest version of our social TV capability. And it's very exciting because it's a fully integrated solution and capability. You know, social TV is a hot topic, as you know, and there's a lot of new startups in this space that are venture-backed startups that are looking to mash the social web with traditional broadcast infrastructure. And that only goes so far. You know, there's some interesting learning that will come from this experimentation. There's some unnatural behaviors associated with the fact that it's not a complete integrated solution like you will if you're deploying a pure IP-based system, like the systems that are deployed by Kit Digital in partnership with our customers like Sky Global or Mediaset in Italy or AT&T here in the United States. So we announced the latest version of that. We've been demoing it here at our booth, and it's been received very, very well. Yeah, it's really interesting because a lot of this activity is happening outside of the United States. You know, we tend to think that, you know, we're the leaders and innovators in everything relating to technology and media. And to be honest with you, you know, some of this stuff is breaking in a more accelerated rate outside of the United States. So we're seeing a great deal of activity in Asia Pacific, Central and South America, Eastern Europe are all very important, fast-growing markets for us. It's network operators, both on the multi-channel pay television side, telcos, mobile operators, and large broadcasters and major studios are all the types of customers that we're seeing both here in North America and to a greater extent outside of North America. Yeah, you know, there's some macro things that are really working in our favor with regard to delivering IP-based, high-definition television experiences that are broadcast grade. So cost of bandwidth continues to drop very dramatically around the globe, and the quality of service continues to increase. And in addition, we've invested a lot of R&D dollars into what we call the operations manager that runs these broadcast grade OTT services for our clients that allows us to comfortably sign up for these 5.9 SLAs and to actually, you know, deliver a TV-like experience over the internet. Well, it's going to grow in those, you know, areas, those regions of the world that I've already mentioned. But, you know, what's great is what's driving all this is consumer behavior. This is consumer driven. People's desire to have their television experience with them everywhere on connected devices. That's what's driving this more than anything else. And the other thing that's a key driver is that they want their television experience to be interactive and socially enabled. And that's an expertise that we have. That was an area that we decided a long time ago to invest our R&D dollars, and now we're, you know, seeing the fruits of that work here at this show. So very exciting. We've done a lot of work with Evander Holyfield in launching his social video enabled site. And Evander Holyfield has shown up in our booth earlier today. It was crazy. All the fans came out to see him. We've got a bit of an event later this evening where he's going to join us there. He's been a great customer. It's exciting to work with him. His work ethic is something that we share here at Kit Digital. We work hard for our clients, and so it's great to be associated with him and to have him as one of our premier customers. It is really interesting because I have been around. I was early into interactive TV. We're talking over a decade ago with AOL TV. Jump TV, another company that I ran for a while, was very early into the consumer-branded IPTV space, and we did some really early things around social TV there, 7 years ago at Jump TV. But both of those efforts were really too early. The technology wasn't there. The social web hadn't evolved to the point that it exists today. So there's a bunch of things that are happening that are driving this. Connected consumer electronic devices services that can now deliver great video experiences and socially enabled experiences. All that's coming together to drive this for real this time. You know, we've had a couple of false starts in the past, but I'm here to tell you right now, it's happening and it's real, and we happen to be in the marketplace with absolutely the right solution.